Your bank branch is disappearing, but that does not mean banking is disappearing. In fact, something much bigger is happening. The plumbing underneath traditional finance is being rebuilt, and Nedbank's latest moves gives us a glimpse of what banking could look like in the future. Nedbank is testing what it calls a client connect zone, a hybrid banking environment combining self-service technology, digital onboarding, and human assistance. Instead of walking to a traditional bank for every transaction, customers can use technology for banking while consultants focus on advice and more complex financial needs. Nedbank says its self-service kiosk already processes about 500,000 transactions every month across more than 60 services. And the bank invested about 2.6 billion rand in technology during the past financial year. But here is where I want you to look beyond the branch. This is not about ATMs, apps, or artificial intelligence. The underlying financial infrastructure is changing. Nedbank announced partnership with Crypto.com to explore blockchain-based payments, settlements, and liquidity solutions, including real-time conversion between South African Rand and USDC, subject to regulatory requirements. And that is significant because blockchain is increasingly moving from being something outside the banking system to becoming part of the infrastructure inside financial services. So what does this mean for ordinary South Africans? The bank of the future may not be a building you visit. It could be a system where your bank account, digital identity, payments, tokenized assets, stablecoins, and financial services interact seamlessly across digital infrastructure. And your relationship with money is going to become increasingly digital. So don't just ask, what is Bitcoin going to do to the banks? Ask a bigger question. What happens when the banks start adopting the technology that Bitcoin introduced? Because I believe the next revolution won't necessarily destroy banking. It may rebuild banking from inside out. I hope you're paying attention and watching these moves.